Good morning, third graders. I got a lot of fun responses to the slice of cake that I did yesterday, that Lucas and I did yesterday for second graders. So I thought, why not do a whole huge 3-tiered cake with you guys today? So basically we're going to do another guided drawing and we're going to create a 3-tiered cake using cylinders. So let's get started. The first step that we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing the top tier. Now I want you guys to remember that it goes small, medium, then large. So when you do your first tier, make sure that it's not too big so you don't have any space to move out this way as you go down. So anyway, the first step is we're going to do a very thin oval. Okay? So just like this. Very thin oval. Yes, great, Lucas. That looks awesome. So on this side of the oval and on this side, so the two ends, we're going to do 2 vertical straight lines down, just like this. Okay? And then we are going to close it off with a soft curved line, just like this, so that it should mimic this curve up here. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to create a little bit of a longer oval. I come up just a little bit, I eyeball it, and I do another thin oval for my second tier. Okay, make sure that where you started your oval and where you ended the oval are in the same place, or as best as you can do. Then we do the 2 straight vertical lines down on either side, just like that.
Except they're bigger.
That's right, they are a little bigger. Yep, correct. And then you're going to close it off with a soft curved line again. All right, we have one more tier, which is very exciting. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm going to move my drawing over here so you can see a little better. So again, we come up just a little ways on the second tier. We're going to do that thin oval again. Okay, I'm going to bring that over here. And then we do, what do we do next, Lucas?
2 thin lines. Well, vertical lines.
Vertical lines, yes, you got it. One here, one here. Okay, and then we close it off with a soft curved line. I bet you never knew drawing 3-dimensional cylinders was so easy. So now the fun part begins. You can decorate your cake however you want. You can see in my example that I did some scallop lines here for frosting. I did little little pieces of candy along the edges. I have it sitting on a scalloped edged platter. Okay, I also drew a horizon line, which we know is where the sky and the ground meet. Okay, so it looks like it's on a table. I watercolored mine, but again, use whatever you have. Lucas is coloring his in with crayon today. So get as fun and as creative as you want. If you want to draw it on a platter, I'll go ahead and just show you how I did that scallop platter. It's very similar to these thin ovals that we were doing, except I do a scallop line. Those are curved lines that connect with each other. I come up a little ways like this and I scallop out, okay, like that. And I did make it look like it had width right here. So how we do that is pretty easy. I just come out, thin curved lines that mimic, so they're the same curved line that you see that you already drew on the top. And I do that on the edges, just like this. Okay, so that's it. I want to see your wonderful creations, so email those to me. I got a lot of really fun ones yesterday, and I do post them on my Weebly site. Have a great day, third grade.
Peace.